Hey everybody. So the MidTower Deluxe Black Max is over for its annual service. I've been servicing this thing in the fall for like the past several years or so. It's over here when my parents are out of town. And I've also, maybe you'll see in the background, I've been cleaning out the Optiplex 390s. I'm going to do a video sooner or later talking about what's going to happen with those machines. But anyways, now we're focusing on the Black Max. So the Black Max is over for its annual servicing. This year it's going to be getting a new card reader that's USB 3, and also it'll have some USB 3 ports in the front, which this case does not have, as well as a Type-C port. And this machine will be getting Windows 11 as well. So that being said, this thing isn't too bad. It is getting kind of dirty though, so it's time for its cleaning. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're definitely looking much better inside now than what we did look like previously. So of course the Black Max doesn't have a whole lot of stuff in it. It's a Ryzen 5 2400G APU on a ASRock. I think it's a B450, yeah, B450 Pro 4 motherboard. Using the APU graphics, I think this one has either 8 or 16 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, there you have it. So, MidTower Deluxe Black Max, it'll be getting, of course, the upgraded card reader, which I'll do in a different video. I'll post a different video talking about the actual work on this thing. So, it'll be getting a better card reader, and also getting Windows 11, even though this machine does not meet the Microsoft Elite Class Mill System requirements on Windows 11. So, that being said, we're going to close this up for now, and we'll work on this thing probably tonight, because it's Saturday night. My parents come back Monday morning, so we'll make sure we have this thing back over there for them. Yeah, of course, MidTower Deluxe Black Max, you don't see it near as much on the channel anymore since I moved out of my parents' place 7 years ago. So anyways, of course, there's the look at the front of the Black Max. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Crew channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified of new video posts. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.